Hello all, welcome to Narad Masters Academy, our daily current affairs including GS and GK. So first question, recently which organization has launched the Medical Device Information System? The given options, World Health Organization, World Bank, UNICEF, UNDP. The correct answer is A, World Health Organization. The World Health Organization is nothing but WHO has launched that Medical Device Information System, an online platform providing global access to information on 2,301 types of medical devices. This resource aids decision making for the selections, procurement, and use of medicine devices for diagnostics and treatment of various diseases. The next question. Recently, which country becomes the fifth member of the Colombo Security Conclave, that is nothing but CSC? The correct answer, the given options Myanmar, Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan. And the correct answer is C, Bangladesh. Bangladesh joined the Colombo Security Conclave, that is CSC, as the fifth member state, welcomed by India, Maldives, and Sri Lanka. Previously, an observed state, Bangladesh inclusion was formalized at the 8th Deputy National Security Advisor, that is nothing but TNSA meeting hosted virtually by Matrius. The next question. What is the primary objective of the GRSE Accelerated Innovation Nurturing Scheme Gains 2024 scheme recently seen in news? So the given options to solve problems related to shipyards and promote technology development. Option B to increase the maritime security. C to provide financial aids to large corporations. Option D to promote tourism in coastal areas. The correct answer is A to solve problems related to shipyards and promote technology development. Raksha Rajya Mantri Sri Sanjay Seth launched the GRSE Accelerated Innovation Nutrient Scheme Gains 2024 in Kolkata on July 10, 2024. The scheme by Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited aims to address shipyard challenges and promote technology development through MSMEs and startups. The next question. What is the theme of World Population Day 2024? The given options to leave no one behind, count everyone, safeguards the health and rights of women and girls, gender equity and reproductive health, family planning is a human right. The correct answer is A. To leave no one behind, count everyone. World Population Day is observed annually on July 11 since 1990, focusing on population growth, environment impact, and development issues. The next question. Which country is the host of exercise Pitch Black 2024? The given options India, France, Australia, New Zealand. And the correct answer is C, Australia. An Indian Air Force, that is IAF, contingent, contingent arrived at RAAF base Dravin, Australia for exercise Pitch Black 2024 from July 12th to August 2nd. This biennial multinational exercise, the largest in its 43 years history, involves 20 countries, 140 plus aircraft, and 4,400 personnel. Focusing on night operations and large force employment warfare, it includes IAF's Su-30 MKI, C-17 Globemasters, and IL-78 aircraft, enhancing international cooperation and best practice. Some important current affairs. World's largest Ramayan temple in Bihar. The second part of building that Virat Ramayan Mandir in East Champaran, Bihar has begun. This is a big step towards building what will likely be the biggest Ramayan temple in the world. This phase began on July 9th and comes after the first phase, which was finished successfully in just 10 months. The next current affairs in our topic. Madhya Pradesh cabinet approves purchase of new VVIP jet. The government of Madhya Pradesh recently gave the go ahead to buy a new plane. It challenges 3,500 jet plane to make it easier for VVIPs to get around. This choice was made with the help of Chief Minister Mohan Yadav. The next important current affair. What is angel tax? Current updates of July 2024. What is angel tax? Angel tax. So this department for promoting of industries and internal trade, that is DPIIT, has suggested that unpopular angel tax and startup should be gotten rid of. This could be announced in the union, that is a personal too. The next topic: India ranks fifth in global generative AI innovations. New research shows that India is fifth in the world when it comes to innovations in generative artificial intelligence, that is Gen AI. India is behind China, the US, Republic of Korea, and Japan in terms of number of Gen AI patent. It. The next topic: Why Indo-Pacific countries are joining the NATO summit. The recent NATO summit held in Washington included the Indo-Pacific Four, that is IP4, Japan, South Korea, New Zealand, and Australia. This shows how NATO strategy has changed because of new global risks like tensions over Taiwan and closer cooperation between Russia. The next topic: What is Project 2025? The Heritage Foundation has come up with a big controversial plan called Project 25. It is meant to change the way the US government works in case Donald Trump runs for a second term. Much of the next topic. James Webb Telescope captures quasars and steam ring. The fantastic and the fascinating pictures of Bezieled cloud of light around quasar was recently taken by the James Webb Space Telescope, that is JWST. This picture has sparked a lot of interest in the astronomy community. This picture is known as Einstein ring. The next topic: What is draft digital competition bill? India's Ministers of Corporate Affairs, that is MCA, set up the Committee on Digital Competition Law, that is CDCL, Committee on Digital Competitions Law, in February 2023 to look into whether digital markets needs their own set of competitions rules. After thinking about it for a year, the CDCL, the next topic, what is a super Earth? New information has been found about LHS 1140b, an exoplanet 48 light years away in the constellation Cetus. The team of foreign researchers was led by the Université de Montréal. Their studies, which was published in the Astrophysical Journal Letters. The next topic: India to ratify High Seas Treaty recent agreement and significant. The Indian government has said that it will sign and approve the High Sea Treaty. The goal of this international deal is to protect maritime biodiversity and make sure the ocean's resources are used in a way that don't harm the environment.